So after 8 years of having the same MBRP system, started to get some rattles from the hangers and I think some rot from the mufflers. So it's time for a new one. This time I went with their Race Edition. No big muffler, just a straight pipe. Should be chrome tips. Maybe polished. No, it's just not the carbon fiber one. Alright. 4.5 inch chrome tip. There's a part number if anybody ever wants to order one. This is the aluminized kit, S42001 AL. What I had last time. Everybody says it's not supposed to last. I've had it for 8 years. No complaints. Let's go pull the old one and do a new one. Biggest leak I had was the small resonator was completely hollowed out. So that was leaking really bad. One of these clamps right here had been leaking for a while. So not too bad, I guess. Lots of noise though.